Hey, check out this portable vacuum. I got this to review and I've used this a lot. I actually spilled my protein shake this morning and I had to use this to clean it up. It has a different attachment head here. I used the brush to help clean it up. It does have a powerful suction and it's really easy to charge with a USB-C cable. I've had no problem with this so far. It's small enough to fit within my gym bag or inside my glove compartment. It's easy to use within small areas using the two different attachment heads. It lasts for about 18 to 20 minutes, pretty much. They say about 25 as well, depending upon the usage of it. But I can use it to clean up dog hair or any other debris that kind of ends up in my car throughout the day. So it does have the ability to suck up both wet and dry. And the attachment on the end, it's really easy to take it off to clean out the vacuum to get rid of the debris that collects throughout its use. So I would definitely recommend this. I've used it a lot and I was given this product to review. I'd recommend it.